Sun's just poking its head over the cape here. Strange one today. Forecast is alright up until lunch, but I think it's coming in early. The wind's sort of coming from a different direction. Normally it's coming from around that point, sort of sweeping through the channel between the mainland and Magnetic Island here, but if you can kind of tell, it's like sweeping over the valley there, but that's all good. That means we might get a little protection where it's normally rougher. So, yeah, not too much further to go. I've got the camp gear on board. Sort of, I don't know, I'm just 50-50. If I'm in the mood, I'll stay out here. If not, that's all good. I can go home, have a nice sleep in bed. But yeah, anyway, that's the plan. We'll just get out there and see what happens, eh? Local fishing, so you never know, do you? You never know. Could hook a marlin. Hey, you got to be wishful, don't you? Righto. That's full moon. Big ass, big moon there. Too shabby, eh? Righto, let's go. Well, have a look at it. What a fucking mess. Look how rough it is. You just can't win. You really can't. Very rare you get a calm out here. Anyway, let's get a rock in the water, get a bit of a stick bait around, and then probably get the hell out of here. Look at it. You know it's rough when you get wet and you're on anchor. Well, I'm throwing this for 20 minutes, and all I'm really doing is trying not to fall over. So I'm going to pop back around the corner because I didn't come out here to hang on for the day. I come out here to bloody enjoy it. So one more cast on camera, eh? See if we can get a fish. Haven't seen any. I've seen a turtle. That's it. A turtle and a few birds. So problem is out here, you go back around that corner, it's a big flat, so there's not really the most spectacular fishing grounds, that's for sure, here on the central coast of Argentina. I don't know, very rough. Thought I would have had a hit at least, but that's alright. Beats working. In the dead part of the tide too. It was actually at the lowest point when I was putting the boat in at the boat ramp. Probably about an hour and a half later. So we're sort of in a mid tide. 10:30 I think was the high out here, so about 9:30, 10 o'clock would be ideal out here, but nah, I ain't hanging around that long. Anyway, let's get out of here. This is gross. See you later. Phew! Nice little morning queenie on the Nomad. Maybe a little one, I might get the fly rod out, I reckon. There we go. So I've done the damage, little Nomad Vertex swim. That was pretty cool. That was a good little crunch. He's off. Yeah. Cool bananas. Change vibes because I'm eggs are fishy, but nothing. Once we take it, it feels alright. Oh, look at this. Jesus, a big queenie. No, this way, mate, this way. Whoa! Let me get some air time. Get up. I'm doing a big jump again. Every time I get the camera around, it does a jump. This is a big queenie. Here he goes. Gonna jump. That's a fat, the fat queenie, man. There he is. He's a bit better. He's a nice queenie. Alright, big fella. He's off. That's a good fight, that one. Woo. Oh, yep. Oh, I should put your head cam. This one's gonna launch. That's a mackerel. Oh, they're spastic little things, man. Go hard for this size, that's for sure. There he is. He's good eating, actually. Gonski, see you, bud. A ladder. Fishing the poles, eh? Fishing the bloody poles. Oh. Yep. That was subtle. Bit small, this one. Little mackerel. You saw that. I saw him. Wow. Little ring stinger. These all day, good little feed too. There's three mates with him on his way up. Passing the time anyway. It's not really what I had planned today. I had planned to be out right out the back of the cape, find a new ground, but nah. We're inshore here fishing poles. Another little spotty. Maybe undersized that one. Go on, you little psycho! Jesus, that's nuts! Slimy! There he is. Get out of here! Oh man, literally a fish cast. First cast, I haven't got one for a while. It's a lot of fun. It's almost like live baiting sometimes. pretty tight. So fucking slimy. I just had a hook in my finger then. Fucking lucky, man, because he was flapping around. Woo! Oh, fuck, fuck out of here. Oh, he's been flying that eye for a while. Man, I don't know if I should just keep catching them. That's about 15 of the bastards. Getting a bit over it. Ah, one more. How's this thing? Lice or something? Yeah. Get one of them up, you piss hole. Woo. That was so close. Lucky them barbs are small. Like one of the traps was in my finger while he was flapping around. Bloody lucky, man. It's actually starting to sting now. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, nah. Yep, nah, dropped him, and they are thick. It's actually a bit sorer than it was originally. Jesus, come on. Look at that. Can you see that? Ah, they are toothy little buggers. Alright, I've had enough. I've had enough of them. Let's go somewhere new. She's just too rough, mate. She's just too rough. $2.30. At $2.30 in the arvo. I'm not going to stay out the night. It's just not worth it. It's too rough. Most places unfishable. Well, you know what I mean. Comfortably anyway. But yeah, just having a recharge, hang out, have a snack, and pack the boat up and head back to the ramp, I think. Maybe try again Wednesday. Today's Monday, so the forecast gets better late in the week. I just can't go Thursday, Friday, which sucks. But anyway, it's all good. Oh yeah, this stuff here, 3-cast hydrate. If you're like me and you normally grab bloody two or four bloody Powerades on the way out fishing, check this stuff out. It's the same sort of thing, all energy based, but I'm pretty sure it's sugarless. So it's more of like a caffeine based energy boost. And it's really nice. There's what's this one? Citrus Tide, and then there's a strawberry one or something. as well. I've got that one, that's really nice, but this is the first time I've actually tried this one. I think I might have put a bit too much in it, but I'll tell you how she goes, mate. Oh, mate. I put a bit much in it, but it's still good. Oh. Just having some CCs and dip while the birds hunt me down. Get out of here! That's Maggie Island behind me. The shipwreck's just over here. I was way over there on that around the cape there. It's just too rough, unfishable. And last time you seen me, I was just on the poles over there, but I thought I'll come over here and I might try a bit of fly fishing, but it's blowing out, and it's just put me in the mood for going home, to be honest. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, a bit of a slow day really. I caught plenty of fish. I literally would have caught near on 30 of them school mackerel. It was a crazy session. The whole boat's just covered in shit. I could have took home a bloody awesome feed, but I've still got a Spanish and some trout in the freezer, so I don't like to keep fish. Like, I like to have a little bit in the freezer, and then that's it. Try to eat it within 2 or 3 weeks and go fishing again. Good excuse to go get out fishing. That's it, guys. That's bloody it. Anyway, I'm gonna have a few more chips, smash that drink down. Anyway, hooroo. See you on the next one.